Scooby-Doo may have the mystery machine, but we have the bumblebee. Oh yeah, they know what that stuff is. So this morning we did acrylic acid treatment number 3 out of 4 or 5, and we'll come back at the end of the video and take a peek at the whiteboards about a day after we do the treatment. So these girls took the cappings and started to make comb out of them. Look at that. Didn't put anything in it. Crazy bees. So for those who believe that bees do not reuse their cappings, I have 2 words. Yeah, right. We had put the wet cappings on a number of hives, and a couple of weeks ago I did a video where I went to the one hive and all the cappings were missing. They hadn't just licked the honey out of it, they took the cappings away. This same hive, this tray had been full of honey and wax cappings, and they ate the honey as you might expect, but then they took the wax and they built comb in the tray with the capping wax that was in there. So this one hive does seem to like to, well, reuse capping wax. So this is our number 1 hive that was polluted with mites before. And we've done three applications of acrylic acid now. And honestly, I see cappings. I see maybe 1 mite there. Maybe another one here, but we have definitely cleaned the mite situation up on hive number 1, which is good news. All of our entrance reducers are in on the back hives. Our aggressive hive wouldn't let me change them yesterday. I normally can do that without even any outfit on. Just pop the reducer out and they're chill. But our first hive there, number 9 in the corner, they're acting more like yellow jackets. They come boiling out when I try to pull the reducer out, but I'll try again this morning. Well, despite the fire drill, we were able to get the reducers on the front hives. Everybody seems to be fairly mite-free, but I'm still going to come back and do a 4th treatment, obviously, and maybe a 5th. I don't know. We'll see how things go. And thus, another beautiful morning at Buzz Park, despite some of the bees being a little objectionable to me coming out here so early. Happy to say everybody's looking happy. We don't know about hive number 9, you know, the aggressive and possibly queenless hive, but time will tell. In the meantime, remember to like and subscribe. It really does help us out, and I really ask you to do that. And we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.